Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I wanted to show you some Christmas faux florals I've been working on that you can put through your home to brighten up your home for Christmas. Move some of these. This one I had last year, the gold with the red beads in it. Sparkly gold picks I put in here. A lot of these I got at the Dollar Tree. And here's a bigger one I put in the kitchen. Got some gold back here. And some red poinsettias. And some silver picks I put in here. And some white picks. This one here, I put some red and white poinsettias in this one. And some bulbs I got from the Dollar Tree. And some little sparkly lights. And this one here is a sparkly decoration. I just added this floral in it. Same with this one. This one was all green and I added some silver flowers in here. And a little pine cone. And I have a big one back here with some poinsettias and some white picks. And this big pick here with silver. More pine cones and some silver bulbs. Another pick over here. These are just some ideas of what you can do to brighten up your home for Christmas. Like I said, the Dollar Tree has a lot of assortment of flowers. I've had all these flowers and picks I gathered through the years, and I put together some floral arrangements. I want to thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.